you like to know how to achieve coils in your hair without heat? Then this video is for you. Keep watching. Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be looking at how to achieve heatless coils in your hair. But before we get right into the video, let's look at the materials needed. First, you'll be needing combs. Then you'll be needing hair clips, brush, styling mousse, oil, water in a spray can, and coiling rollers. Now let's get into the video proper. So first off, what you want to do will be to comb through, take a section of the hair, comb through to detangle, then spray water on it and try to work your way through the length of the entire hair. That's the section you're working with, I mean. So you put your styling mousse, work it through, put a little oil and also work it through. Then you start twisting. As you can see in this video, you twist it like you're seeing me do. Then you take your coiling rollers and wrap it round and roll all the way up, as you can see. Then you fasten it tightly like this. So you're just going to repeat the whole process section by section till you're through with the entire hair. So some of the advantages of using this heatless method are: one, it is a quick and easy way to achieve coils in your unit. Two, since there's no heat involved, there is no damage to the strands of your unit. Therefore, it makes your unit last longer. And three, it is beginner friendly because you don't need to be an expert to be able to use this method.
One, two, three, four.
After we are done with the entire hair, we are just going to leave it outside under the sun, or you can just leave it at the corner of your room for like 2 to 3 days. This is to ensure that the hair is dry, very dry, before we remove the rollers.
3 days later.
Now that the hair is completely dry, we are going to start by removing the rollers one after the other, gradually, as you see in the video. So this is what our hair is looking like. Keep watching and you're going to see the magic we just created. So we are going to take some oil. As you see me, I'm rubbing it all over my hands, and I'm just going to dab it around the hair strands. Then I'm going to start unraveling them bit by bit and using my finger to brush through. unraveling, I'm just going to be using a wide toothed comb like this to fluff through the hair to create more volume. So once I'm done, I'll just be combing it like this gradually with the wide toothed comb to kind of like arrange the hair very well. And like I said before, to add more volume to your coils. So guys, before we continue, I just want to thank you all for the love and support you've been showing to my channel. Please, if you're new here, do well to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the other tutorials we'll be sharing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Please, if you found this video helpful, do well to like, comment, and share to someone who might need it. Thank you so much. Now, look at that. Look at the magic we just created. I believe now that we've been able to know how to put coils in your hair, in your unit without heat. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.